Hi guys, this is Keshaka, your spiritual guide and tarot reader, and this is our channel Amethyst Awakening. Today I am going to do a yes no reading just like every Saturday, but today's reading is not going to be a pendulum reading, it's going to be a channeled intuitive reading. Okay, so along with your yes no, I'm going to tell you any timeline that we get as always, and you can ask any question you want. Ideally, I would suggest asking a question that's been on your mind for a while and you haven't got an answer as yet, and you've been waiting for an answer, because that's what I want to focus this on, though you can ask any other question as well if you feel drawn to do that. Okay, this is entirely intuitive, so if I get any other messages in addition to the yes, no, maybe and the timeline, I will communicate the same during the reading. We are going to have 4 piles: pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3, pile number 4. Okay, so I'm going to pause as always and you can choose. Now you can think 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 in your head, and whatever number shouts out to you, being like, oh, this is it, that could be your pile, or else just shut your eyes and think of your question, and when you open your eyes you will be drawn to a certain finger out of these 4, and that will be your group. Okay, there's someone out there who's still choosing. So for you, if you're feeling drawn to 2 piles, then just listen to both of them, because these are very short readings and maybe half your message is here and half your message is there. Alright, sounds good. So let's begin with your reading. Pile number 1, the answer to your question is it could be yes, but don't go for it, is what I'm getting. So it could be yes, but no. You still have time to make the decision, and you can make the decision in the next 3 to 4 months. Like, you can chill about it. You don't need to really rush through whatever this is. This seems to be something you've been asking for a while, and something that's important. But at the same time, this could be a decision that is life changing, and maybe you are a little perplexed and confused between 2 options, or like you're sort of sure but you're not like exactly sure. And in 3 to 4 months you might get the clarity you need to be able to make the decision. If you want this to happen at that point of time, yes, it could happen. But should you say yes for it right now? Maybe not. You still can, because you have free will and that's up to you. But I'm just giving you the messages that I'm intuitively getting. I feel like intuitively 3 to 4 months is a good timeline to look at for most of you. And it could be as if you totally want it. Like, I think this is something you can manifest. You need to have clarity. If you have clarity and you set your mind on it, this can very well show up in your life, and it can happen. It's not happening because you're still a little unclear about it. And you will get all your answers and the clarity you need in the next 3 to 4 months. I also did a recent video on journaling. You can check that out, and maybe the method I explained over there might be useful for you to process your thoughts around the situation. So I really hope this helped you, group number 1. I'm going to be moving to group number 2. Before that, I would like to shout out and ask you guys to please support the channel in any way you can. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when the next videos are out. Give me any ideas or any questions that you would like me to do readings on, or just do like a guidance talk on. I would love to help you out in any way I can. If you want a private session, whether it's a reading or a guidance session, my email ID, Instagram and Facebook handles are in the description box below. You can hit me up over there, and I would love to hear from you. And hoping to see you again. Until next time, bye bye. Group number 2, welcome to your reading. I'm directly just gonna tap in and see the answer to your question is actually a very strong yes. I didn't even need to like complete it. It's a very, 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 very strong yes, whatever you're asking. And in like 2 to 3, in 2 weeks or in 3 days, or sometime between 3 days to 2 weeks, this should unfold for most of you, or this should happen for most of you, whatever your question is. If your question is a question that could potentially have a timeline, some questions don't have a timeline, and I think some of you guys are asking a question that may not have a timeline. Okay. Other than that, I think you know all you need to in the situation. There is no really strong message that's coming for you intuitively right now. What is coming is that just keep in mind everything you know, and don't ignore or like turn a blind eye to some information just because it's convenient. Just focus on all the information and all the knowledge you have and move ahead in the situation. It could definitely happen, or the answer's like almost certainly a yes. But just like keep your eyes and ears open and keep all the information in mind. The option or the final choice, final decision of where your life goes always lies with you. So that is something you must keep in mind as well. These are channel messages, and just take it as a message and make your own decision by yourself. I really hope this helped you in some way and got you some clarity. Please let me know how you like the reading, and if you have any topics, recommendations, or anything that you would like to share or suggest, please let me know in the comment section below. If you are looking for a private reading or a guidance session, then my email, Instagram, Facebook are in the description box below. I would love to hear from you. To support the channel in any way you can. It really helps grow the channel and help me reach more people and help more people. And that's what this platform is for. So I really appreciate you guys watching and just supporting the channel in any way you can. So like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when the next video is out, and engage and spread the message. That's about it. So I hopefully will see you sometime soon. Until next time, bye bye. Hi group number 3, welcome to your reading. Now this is a channel reading, so it's a little different than always, but let's see what the answer to your question is. Maybe you can do it. The power is in your hands. In this question, this is not something that is actually dependent on another person. This is actually dependent on your decision, your certainty, your clarity in what you want. So this is something you should actually be asking yourself in most cases. Like 9 out of 10 of you should actually be asking this question to yourself rather than on a tarot video. But since you have come to the video, the message you're getting is, please ask this to yourself. The answer lies within you. You will get the answer as soon as you are ready to deep dive in and find the answer within yourself and see the answer. You know the answer. You have to be open to seeing the answer. I would suggest an affirmation over here that you can actually start working on, and that will help you see the answer. So just say, I allow myself to receive clarity. I allow myself to have confidence in my decisions, and I allow myself to see things clearly. Yeah, these three. So you allow yourself to receive clarity, you allow yourself to trust your own decisions, and you allow yourself to see things clearly. If you do these 3 things, you will have the answer to your question, and you will not need to go to another tarot video after this for this question. Okay, so I really want you to keep this in mind. I just very strongly smelled the lavender candle all of a sudden, so this could help you, especially in stress release. Some of you might be stressful about the situation. You just need clarity, and maybe some lavender essential oil or fragrance will help you process this, in case you have that. If you don't, that's okay too. You don't really need to like whatever. You can choose if you want it or not. I just feel like you could use some of it. Maybe we can try this. This is new, but for those of you who believe might actually experience it, okay? So I'm going to bring this to you and trust that you're going to receive the smell and take a deep breath. Now, I might sound crazy, but if you do that with trust, you will smell it. Trust me, it's possible. Shut your eyes. Take a deep breath and release your stress and anxiety. I feel like it's released. Even if you didn't get this smell, because some of you might not have that kind of clair, maybe, but if you did get the smell, please let me know. I would love to know. And even if you didn't, if this process helped you release the stress a little and feel lighter, please let me know that as well. You guys got a little something extra. You got affirmations, you got the candle, and even though you didn't really get your answer, you got a lot of other things that can take you to the answer and that made you feel better, hopefully. So do let me know how you like this reading. If you have any other ideas or anything you'd like to share in the comment section below, let me know how this resonated in your case. Please support the channel. I really appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when the next video is out, and we can have fun together watching these videos. Like, you watch them, I make them, and it's just like, it's fun for me. I hope it's fun for you. Let me know if you enjoy it. If you're looking for a private session, reading or guidance, my Instagram, email, Facebook are in the description box below. You can hit me up there. I would love to hear from you. I am talking a little fast because my phone memory is about to die very soon. So on that note, I will see you soon. Have fun, loads of love, and something exciting, super exciting is gonna come super soon, okay? All the best for it. Bye-bye.